What is serialization and traceability? Continued. There is often a complicated distribution network in which the product passes through various intermediaries before reaching its final destination. Given the complexities involved in pharmaceuticals and biologics logistics, there are opportunities for counterfeit and potentially unsafe medications to be introduced into the supply chain, and likewise for genuine products to be diverted from their intended destination. At each stage, the product must be authenticated, and often the required information must be accessed from a remote location. Product authentication becomes difficult if data is not accessible across a supply chain. Serialization and product tracking must not just create unique serial numbers for saleable units, it must also be able to maintain all codes and numbers throughout the supply chain to provide traceability back to the source. This means that all data must be tracked, recorded, and accessed as necessary, as the product moves from production to vendor to patient. The information encoded in a serialization and product tracking program will depend on defined standards and agreed information. Serialization and product tracking implementation, validation, and extension. A serialization and product tracking program must be implemented in phases, with each phase being tested and validated in turn. Only when each phase of the process has been validated should the central serialization and product tracking program be completed. Serialization and product tracking technology cannot operate at the production and plant level only. It must be capable of connecting and communicating with other systems at an enterprise level. Unit-level electronic records must also be accessible in real time via portable devices where necessary. As long-time requirements can change, new locations and functions will need to be added to the program. For example, core business applications may be extended, such as warehouse management or resource planning systems. Extensions will require further development and integration work.